Besides the shiny aluminum ladders, what does a van ladder bucket truck have in common with a fire engine? For that matter, what does a fireman have in common with a sign installer? Here's a hint. Take a look at the outside storage compartments.
An emergency vehicle is outfitted with compartments on the outside of the truck to maximize our efficiency when we're on emergency scenes. Our main core value is emergency response. So that encompasses a lot, all the different types of emergency calls that we go on. We can't afford to be inefficient at our job because somebody's having the worst day of their life, they call us.
And there it is. Okay, granted, the stakes aren't as high, but neither a fireman nor a sign installer can afford to be inefficient at the job site. I started noticing how much our customers, the ones who really appreciate the Workport box, talk like firefighters. I'll show you what I mean.
Everything is organized and everything is in the exact same location. And that just increases our efficiency on emergency scenes. So we know exactly where to go, exactly what equipment should be where.
He knows where everything is. He's already thinking about that when he's on his way to the job. Okay? He gets out of the truck. He knows what door he has to go into. Okay? That not only in real time does that save time, but in mental energy.
All right.
Okay, and it reduces mistakes, and it reduces calls back to the shop.
It's not just a transport, right? It's everything that you need to do the job well. Everything is in the truck. We have drills, we have cleaning supplies, electrical, right? We have screws on the other side, so when the guys are looking for things, they know exactly which compartment to go to, without having to open all of the boxes.
Once you get in this mentality of having a spot where everything goes, it makes it really easy. Even at home, I do this now. My garage is organized this way, so I know I go to this drawer, I go to this cabinet, I have everything mounted on the wall, so I'm not searching for things. And it just, by having things organized and having a specific place for them, it dramatically increases, how much work you can get done.
Well, and how much you enjoy it.
Yeah, and how much you enjoy it and how easy it is to notice if something's missing. Instead of rummaging through a bin or a compartment or something like that where you've got tons of tools, you know exactly when something's missing because it's not there and there's a hole there. So then you know something's missing.
Or going to Home Depot to buy something that
and you buy it again. Right, you buy it twice.
Man, I remember, having to run to Depot because we were missing this. Leaving the installation because we were missing this.
We're not running to Lowe's, we're not running to Home Depot. Everything that we need every day is right here.
You're married to your wife and all of a sudden she collapses of cardiac arrest. You don't care whose name is on the truck. You want them to get there and you want them to be professional and you want them to know what their job is.
If you have to go back on a job, it's like a big hiccup, right? Not to mention the fact that the client, there's an expectation violation.
We just needed the right truck for us.
The right tool for the job.
The right tool for the job, yeah. And the level of kind of professionalism when you show up to do a job site and you show up on something like that, it just gives the customer a higher level of confidence that their investment is safe, right?
Yeah.
And that's how I feel. I feel secure when I go out to do a job site. Confident.
Yeah.
Confident. Yeah.
You can't afford to be not knowing where equipment is and not being efficient.
This all pushes money to the bottom line.
Van Ladder helps you simplify your sign work with the roomy Workport box and its handy outside compartments.